acrobatic group des Italiens. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from Frecce Tricolori. This is Captain Rinaldi. I'm very glad to introduce you the Frecce Tricolori, the Italian aerobatic team of the Italian Air Force. On your right, you can see the 10 aircrafts of the Frecce Tricolori. There are 10 Air Macchi MB339. Then, due to only to the load of the runway, they have to take off in 3 sections. First section of 4, second section of 4, and the third section of 2. We can follow the section. Number 2 now is very close to take off. Take off now. Number 9 and number 10 are ready to take off.
Nummer 10, Stefano Rosa.
Le programme que le Frecce Tricolori veut présenter aujourd'hui. La bandiera della Go for 3. C'est the Big Apple, Grande Mela. In effetti le ha 2 sezioni.
Sondern auch hier über Buochs.
And now a daring crossover on a diamond formation.
Wechsel noch in die neue Formation.
Diamond hesitation roll. Torno in 4 tempi per il 9 aircraft. And one of them is going to leave from the left. The solo is ready. Well, now we will follow the command of the leader for this new figure from the left. Wingmans, in order to roll all together, and the second section to climb and to show you the Apollo 313. Après l'aventure de l'homme dans l'espace, l'Apollo 313. C'est le jeu de la formation de diamant à calice. Glass line formation for the new formation of the Frecce Tricolori that is going to perform a new salary.
Hingewiesen sei auf die Distanz von Flugzeug zu Flugzeug. Die Distanz dürfte bei 2 Metern liegen.
And the solo from the right for a slow roll. Slow, and the solo is going to leave the airport from the left. The team is going to enter change information from the wine glass formation to the swan formation. La calice assigne par la formation de la gauche, la Frecce Tricolori. A roll, a barrel roll for the Frecce Tricolori. Un tonneau botte. La figure s'appelle Arizona et s'appelle un big lasso lancé par la cowboy per capturer la proie. A very nice and big laser from number 4 aircraft on the second and number 5. Very close to the daring crossover. And voila!
Eine der spektakulärsten Figuren der Frecce Tricolori, die Formazione Arizona.
And dopo l'inserimento della separazione della pattuglia, mentre le 2 section that are going to perform and to show you the bullseye. Eau-de-bœuf, c'est les figures
mit engem Radius 7,5 G.
And after this, like in order to balance the accelerator together, while they are changing formation, and that's a big pyramid formation that is going to give the birth. 5 alla vostra sinistra e 4 alla vostra destra.
Nun gilt es, den Flugweg genauestens einzuteilen. Es kommt zur Kreuzung hier über den Platz.
But now follow only the aircraft in the middle of your left. Don't lose it, non perdetelo, because in a couple of seconds, tra pochissimi secondi, it will be the daring crossover of the Frecce Tricolori, the unique in the world, the unique manned by 9 aircraft.
Bei dem Looping immer noch mit ausgefahrenen Fahrern.
Antonio Anemukli. Avec les trains d'atterrissage passés, pour l'air Macchi et puis 329.
9 Air Macchi.
And now for all of you that are found pictures and spots. De la gauche, les solos pour le football du solo. Now the crazy flight for the solo pilot, rivolo folle per il solista. Rientra da sinistra, mostrando altissime caratteristiche di manodinta della macchina, dovrebbe essere ovviamente 9. High maneuverability characteristic for the aircraft, MV339 is showing for the Frecce Tricolori, avec les trains d'atterrissage abaissés, les fumées et les lumières. Pour les Frecce Tricolori.
Auf den Landesfarben Italiens verabschieden sich die Piloten der Frecce Tricolori.
And now there is the lo speciale saluto only for the propeller aircraft, and this is the unique jet in the world that is going to show in Dubai form the lumps of that maneuver. Crazy maneuver!